How to log in Snapchat into devices without logout. What's up everyone? In this video, we're going to find out if it's possible to log in your Snapchat account in two devices without logout. Make sure to watch until the end of this video in order for us to find out whether it is possible or not. So now let's get into it. Open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure that you already properly signed in to proceed on the next step. Now, let's try to use a different device and log in the same account that we have logged in previously. Have your Snapchat application open and let's try logging in. So as we can see in here, Snapchat does not allow us to log in the same account as it is currently logged in from a different device. It's just showing that as of recent update from Snapchat, you cannot run on multiple devices at once. So if ever you're going to log in the same account, make sure that you log out it first on the other device for you to use it. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.